Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools, your go-to destination for all things cars. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the A-Premium AD100 Universal OBD2 Scanner. If you're a car owner, DIY mechanic, or just someone who loves staying informed about their vehicle's health, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's get acquainted with the A-Premium AD100. This universal OBD2 scanner is a compact and powerful diagnostic tool designed to unlock the potential of your vehicle's onboard computer. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or a truck, this scanner is compatible with a wide range of car makes and models. This handy scanner is packed with powerful features. Reads and clears trouble codes, identify the root cause of that check engine light, and clear it if it's a minor issue. Live data stream, monitor key engine parameters like RPM, coolant, temperature, and battery voltage in real time. Smog check readiness, ensure your car meets emission standards before your next inspection. Battery test, check your battery's health and prevent unexpected breakdowns. Universal compatibility. This car diagnostic scanner is widely fit for a variety of models, such as 1996 to 2020 for North American cars, 0024 European cars, August 24 Asian cars such as Japan and Korea brands, but also includes 12 volts truck, SUV, MPV, sedan, etc. Easy to use, simple interface with 4 buttons for intuitive navigation, affordable, save money on expensive diagnostic tools and mechanic visits. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. The A-Premium AD100 is a plug-and-play device. Simply connect it to your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard, and power it up. The intuitive menu will guide you through the diagnostic process effortlessly. Here are some pros and cons about A-Premium AD100. Pros: affordable price, easy to use with clear instructions, supports a wide range of vehicles, reads and clears common trouble codes, live data streaming for real-time monitoring. Cons: limited functionality compared to professional scanners, doesn't offer repair guides or advanced diagnostics, display can be small for some users. In conclusion, the A-Premium AD100 Universal OBD2 Scanner is a must-have tool for anyone passionate about their vehicle's health. It's affordable, user-friendly, and packed with advanced features. Stay in control of your car's performance and make informed decisions with the A-Premium AD100. Check the links in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and as always, drive safe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy driving!